Ready to improve and learn new skills? Hi and welcome to our channel, the Upskill Geek. Our videos give you the skills you need to succeed, to make yourself more employable, to become a better remote worker, and even make your existing skills more extra. We have lots of great tutorials and useful content for you, so go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications to support our channel. It encourages us to keep making these videos. In this video, we will have a look at the search box in Microsoft Word. The search box at the top is a quick way to find the right feature you need to carry out a particular function in Word. For example, let's say you want to insert a table of contents. If you type table of contents in the search box, it finds the action so you can quickly access that feature without having to look for it on the ribbon. That brings us to an end to this tutorial. If you are interested in learning more about Microsoft Word, have a look at the other tutorials on our channel. We have lots of tutorials where we take a more in-depth look into Microsoft Word features. We hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching.